Another egg in the microwave. For old time's sake. Yo, I guess so. If you want. That thing explode? I hope that didn't explode. That would be weak sauce if it blew up. I'm watching. Yo, I'm watching the egg. I am. What if I blow up our microwave? You think I'll be pissed? You won't. Dude, it's still going. Oh shit! Did you hear that? No! Oh my god! That made a fucking mess. That made a fucking mess. There's shit dripping off the top of the microwave. Oh, sick! Oh, turn. Oh, don't. Oh. Oh man, that is sick. Yo, oh man, looks like there's like stalactites on the top of my microwave.